Good day everyone, I'm trying to fix this Beko PowerClean battery. Disassembly is very easy. 3 screws on top and 2 small ones here. Battery lasts about 10 seconds on the max power, so one cells or maybe all, they are all bad. On the bottom there is this plastic protection. It's just glued, and I need to separate this so I can pull batteries out. Unfortunately, there is a piece of plastic right here, so I need to pull all these connections to remove this upper plastic part. Probably it will be on the bottom side too, so I don't think I will repair this battery. It's too much work for very old and very bad vacuum cleaner. When you remove all that connections on the top, you can't really pull batteries because they are soldered also on the bottom. This looks like a 2500 milliamps battery with a 20 amp discharge. Nothing special about it. After removing BMS, here is temperature probe, a very short one. It doesn't even reach the middle of the pack. There are also connections on top, so if you want to repair this battery, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I tested the voltage of every single battery, and these 7 batteries are 4 volts and this one is 3.62. so this battery probably caused on high current shutdown. I can probably use that 7 batteries for something else. This battery case is also good for some future project. And make a battery pack of 8 cells. That's it, folks. See you next time.